Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Focus Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so to bring down the notifications, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is visible on the second page right here. Once you see it, you can first time hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. And a couple of the neat options in here. We have the schedule, which allows you to choose days of the week and start and end time. This will automatically turn the mode on and off at the specified time. We also have parameters for calls, messages, and repeated callers, which can go over. And once everything is set, you can close that and you don't have to go back there ever again, as long as you don't want to change any settings. And whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on the toggle. Now, you will need to remember to turn it off once you're done needing it, as by default it will run indefinitely, and also there is no option to turn it off automatically after a specified amount of hours. So the best you can do is just set up a schedule that would be set so it turns on the Do Not Disturb mode at, for instance, I don't know, sometimes at night, runs for maybe a minute and then turns it back off, which at that point it should, I believe, turn off your Do Not Disturb mode. But this is just kind of like a workaround. The easiest way, obviously, would be just to tap on a toggle and turn it off yourself. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.